We've got a risk for severe weather for today and tonight. A bit of an unusual threat for us across the Denver area. I'll explain why. This also includes the Northeast Plains, and that's where, as usual, the highest risk for severe weather will be. So let's start things off with a bit of a broad view. I'm recording this on Sunday morning, June the 29th, and this morning, hey, you're mostly fine. It's not really until about 2, 3 o'clock that we see those storms develop. So you go on the farmer's market, things like that, you'll be fine for the next few hours. Again, not till 2, 3 o'clock this afternoon and tonight that we'll be dealing with those showers and those storms. Now, initially, a cold front is going to move through, and the computer models are really struggling with the timing of it. So I would not look at your hour-by-hour automated forecast apps for today because the computer models, they're really all over the place, and that's going to struggle in terms of the timing of these storms. However, I'll just say there's going to be a general risk after about 2 o'clock, and that will include the evening. I know there's a Metallica concert and Power Field a Mile High. Unfortunately, there is going to be the possibility that we are going to be dealing with some lightning delays out there. I would bring with you the rain jackets and the umbrellas if you're going to Red Rocks, if you're going to that concert there in Power Field, because we'll have those shower storms around into the overnight time frame. That cold front is going to give us a lot of that low-level moisture into the evening, which is a bit unusual for us. So as you head into, say, 9, 10, 11 o'clock or so tonight, we could have 1 or 2 storms around for us around the metro area. There will be that potential for maybe some large hail into the overnight time frame. Then tomorrow, it's cooler, and that will likely keep those storm chances somewhat in check. However, South Metro will have a nobly higher risk for some stronger storms once again for tomorrow afternoon, though most of the Denver area probably gets left alone by storms tomorrow. Then we dry out for Tuesday, Wednesday, and I mentioned this yesterday. We could be dealing with a pretty active 4th of July. That fourth cast, see what I did there, could be pretty active. More details on that in a separate TikTok.